In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI to Obsidian. We'll bring helpful AI features into your notes by installing the Copilot Community plugin, all from within the Obsidian interface, no outside tools required. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer and make sure the vault you want to use is open. Your vault is simply the folder where your notes live, so choose the one where you want AI assistance available. Look to the bottom left of the app and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Obsidian lets you manage features and add-ons. If your window is narrow, you may need to widen it a bit to see the gear clearly. Inside Settings, select Community Plugins. Community plugins are optional, user-contributed extensions that add powerful capabilities. Because they're third-party, it's always a good idea to install only what you trust and review the details on each plugin's page. Next, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type Copilot. You're looking for the Copilot plugin that brings AI drafting and assistance into Obsidian. If multiple results appear, choose the one with active maintenance and a solid description so you know you're getting the right tool. Open the Copilot entry and click Install. Obsidian will download the plugin to your vault. When that finishes, click Enable to turn it on. Installing adds the files. Enabling actually activates the features in your workspace. Right after enabling, you'll see a prompt asking if you'd like to add Copilot recommended commands in your custom prompts folder. These are ready-made prompt templates that showcase common AI actions, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. They're optional, but they're a great way to learn how the plugin works. Choose Confirm to accept. Obsidian will place those example prompts into your designated prompts folder inside the vault. You can open them later to see how they're structured, duplicate the ones you like, or edit the text so it matches your voice and workflow. That's it. You've opened Obsidian, reached Community Plugins, browsed for Copilot, installed it, enabled it, and confirmed the recommended commands. If you ever want to tweak or disable the plugin, return to Settings, find Community Plugins, and manage it from there. Keep Obsidian up to date, skim the plugin's description for best practices, and you'll have AI right where you take notes, ready to help when you need it.